In this stop-motion video, we will describe and explain the process of the synaptic transmission within the nerve cells. This is the synaptic vesicle. It contains the neurotransmitters that are transported across the synaptic cleft. Neurotransmitters are endogenous chemical signals that are sent across the synaptic cleft from one neuron to the next. They are responsible for relaying information throughout the body and the brain. The two types of neurotransmitters include excitatory and inhibitory. Electrical signals come into the terminal from the presynaptic neuron and are converted into chemical signals for transportation across the synapse. Synaptic vesicles form around neurotransmitters within the axon terminal, also known as the synaptic bulb. The axon terminal is the final point at the end of a neuron. Calcium ions aid in the diffusing of neurotransmitters out of the synaptic end bulb. Calcium enters the axon terminal from voltage-gated calcium ion channels. Calcium ions aid the vesicles infusing to the cell membrane and releases the neurotransmitters across the synapse cleft, which is 10 to 12 nanometers. Neurotransmitters exit the axon terminal through the process of exocytosis and traverse across to the neurotransmitter receptor. Neurotransmitter receptors are special proteins that receive the neurotransmitters released by the presynaptic cell. They depolarize the postsynaptic membrane, and if the depolarization reaches a threshold level, the signal is passed on to the next neuron. The process is constantly being repeated throughout the body, and it is essential for the survival of the organism. We hope you enjoyed this short explanation, and remember to keep your neurotransmitters running!